Okay, in this video we'll learn about stack. Stack is one of the data structures you will learn this year. The others are queue, linked lists, binary tree, and so on. First, a quick recap. Okay, we've learned a bit about this already. What is a stack? Definition is on the left, and some features of it. A stack is a data structure that can store multiple values under one name and with its own methods to process data. Okay, and it has two pointers, the top pointer and the base pointer. It is the LIFO, the last in first out structure, and it has a pop and push methods. Okay, all the operations happens on the top. You can push from the top and you can pop from the top. Okay, so that's the one. We're going to use an example to see how we're going to use a stack. The example here says you've got a list of input data, 2, 3, each one is an item of data to be entered into the stack. The rules are enter this if it's a number, and also update the pointer, the top pointer, because the base pointer will remain the same. When it's an operator, like the plus and multiplication operators, and pop the top two items and use them to do that operation. I'll show you, okay, in a moment. Then add the result of the operation back into the stack. Means pushed on the top of the stack. Okay, so we repeat that until all the data is entered or consumed. Okay, finished. Okay, on the left is the empty stack. It's its initial state. Okay, you can imagine we're using array to implement a stack. Okay, is the bottom one, the base one, where you have index 0. Okay, we set the top pointer as -1 because the top pointer always points at the top item that's entered. We have nothing entered yet, therefore the top is -1 below the baseline. Then we can stage 1, we enter number 2. So it's push number 2 into stack, then we'll update the pointer. So now add 1 becomes 0. The bottom pointer, base pointer, stays on 0 because the base pointer points at the first slot. Yeah. And then we'll move the second item. First one pushed in, second one is 3. If it's a number, you push it in. So where's the next empty slot is the one above the last item you've entered. So update the pointer, becomes 1, and then you push 3 back in. 3 back. Okay, so we copy the 2. Yeah, 3 is entered. So push the 2 items into the stack. Now we've finished the 2 items already. Then move on the third item to enter. Push this one in. Yeah, but the rule says if you see that's an operator, we need to pop the top 2 items. Now, because we only have 2 items there, so that those 2 will be popped, means removed. Okay, once you've removed, that means the pointer, top pointer, will drop back below base. So, okay, let's push in first. Then on the next stage, we'll pop them all and do the operation. Now, okay, so 2 plus 3 should go in there. The result should go in there. Yeah, -1. So reset the pointer, because it's an empty stack now, and we'll do the operations somewhere and push the result back in. 2 plus 3 is 5, so we'll push 5. Yeah, 2 plus 3 is 5. We'll push the result into the stack again, so add the result back in. Now we need to update the point. We've consumed 3 items. Let's do the next one. 4. We can copy 5 over, and then 4 is pushed. Then we'll push 5 back in as well. Yeah, push 5 in. So that's onto the stack. Now we need to update the pointer. 0, 1, 2. Yeah, because remember index starts from 0. 0, 1, 2. Okay, then we'll copy them over. and push, enter this one. This is the first multiplication operator. And then, then we need to pop the last two items, the top two. So those three will be popped, cleared. Okay, we forgot to update the register, the top pointer. Now then 5 is not touched, so 5 stays there. And then we'll update the pointer. Then we'll update the pointer. Okay, 4 and 5 multiply together. Okay, 5 copy over, that's 20. Yeah. Then we'll add the last, that's the last multiplication symbol. Yeah. Then we'll do this one, pop all of them. Yeah, because you see operator, you pop the last two items. That's all we've got, so we pop it. Because we have run out of space, so I'm going to put the results of that operation. Yeah, we've run out of space, so we're going to write the results back in there. So that's the answer. Okay, that's the result of this operation. Okay, a quick recap of stacks. Okay, stack operation is done via pushing and popping. Push is to add new items to the stack, and you need to update the top pointer when you add. Pop is to remove the items on the top, from the top, and you need to also update the pointer. Okay.